Typically reserved for the village attorneys, two unfamiliar faces have stepped in: Chicago federal criminal defense attorney Bo Brinley and his law partner, Ed McDavid.
Two witnesses chose to lie, implicate this man, and drag him through this experience from 2019 until today.
This time, Tiffany Henyard, the controversial mayor of Dolton, Illinois, has made waves far beyond her usual headline-grabbing extravagant spending or chaotic board meetings. She has enlisted a lawyer renowned for his involvement in some of America's most infamous cases, leaving everyone speculating about her motives.
Bo Brinley is Henyard's criminal defense attorney, hired after the FBI served subpoenas on the village and township earlier this year. He blames Henyard's top aide, Keith.
Tiffany Henyard, the embattled and controversial mayor of Dolton, Illinois, has made headlines for years with her questionable spending habits and chaotic board meetings. But her latest move has eclipsed all previous scandals. Henyard's decision to hire federal criminal defense attorney Bo Brinley, a lawyer infamous for representing individuals entangled in some of the country's most high-profile and controversial cases, has raised eyebrows and sparked widespread criticism. Many are questioning the rationale behind this risky choice, which could ultimately spell the end of Henyard's already tenuous political career. A history of controversy. Tiffany Henyard has never shied away from the limelight or the controversy that comes with it. From accusations of financial mismanagement to charges of unethical behaviour during her time as mayor, she has built a reputation for making bold and often questionable decisions. One of her most significant controversies involved the refusal to release public spending records, a violation of state transparency laws that led to a court-ordered release of documents. These records revealed lavish expenditures, including a $20,000 taxpayer-funded trip to Austin, Texas, and thousands of dollars spent on luxury accommodations, upscale dining, and personal photographers. More recently, Henyard found herself at the centre of a lawsuit filed by a former assistant who alleges she was assaulted by a trustee during a work trip. The lawsuit accuses Henyard of failing to support the victim and instead placing her on unpaid leave, further eroding public trust in the mayor's leadership. Enter Bo Brinley. With legal challenges mounting and an FBI investigation looming, Henyard turned to Bo Brinley, a lawyer whose name is synonymous with controversy. Brinley is known for representing clients embroiled in notorious criminal cases, including R. Kelly's former manager, Darryl McDavid. His legal tactics and professional ethics have been called into question repeatedly over the years, making him a polarizing figure in the legal world. Brinley's involvement in the R. Kelly case was particularly controversial. McDavid was accused of aiding in the concealment of tapes showing Kelly engaging in illicit acts with minors. The trial exposed disturbing details about the lengths to which Kelly and his associates went to protect the disgraced singer, including allegations of bribery and intimidation. Brinley successfully defended McDavid, but his methods, described as aggressive and ethically questionable, left many critics uneasy. A pattern of dubious conduct. Brinley's career is marked by allegations of misconduct that extend far beyond the R. Kelly trial. In one instance, he was accused of coaching witnesses to provide false testimony and obstructing justice. While he was ultimately acquitted of these charges, the trial highlighted a recurring theme in his career: a willingness to operate in legal grey areas to secure victories for his clients. His reputation among former clients is equally troubling. Numerous online reviews accuse Brinley of taking money up front and failing to deliver promised legal services, with some even labelling him a crook and a disgrace to the legal profession. Despite his questionable past, Brinley remains a skilled and tenacious attorney. His ability to navigate complex legal cases and secure favourable outcomes for his clients is undeniable, but his methods often blur the line between zealous advocacy and ethical impropriety. The fallout from Henyard's decision. Henyard's choice to hire Brinley has been met with widespread criticism, not just from the public, but also from her own legal team. The law firm previously representing Dolton in multiple lawsuits has withdrawn its services, citing financial difficulties and a refusal to be associated with Henyard's administration. This exodus has left Henyard increasingly isolated, with Brinley now serving as her primary legal counsel.